Hi, my name's Dr. Connie Zweig, and you may know me as a shadow expert. I'm going to be teaching an exciting new course in September for Ubiquity University on shadow work. Do you ever notice that you have repeating behaviors that feel out of your control? Maybe you're critical or judgmental. Maybe you struggle with an addiction to food or alcohol. Maybe this comes up in your relationships, friendships, or romantic partnerships, where there's a repeating pattern of self-destructive or hurtful behavior. These are incidents where you're meeting your shadow. I'm going to explore them with you and teach you how to work with them and actually learn from them. Expand your self-knowledge in a 4-part course in September. I hope you'll join me there.